Here we're doing a law of cosines problem, and we're trying to find side C. I just want to make sure this is set up in a way that I can't do law of sines. I don't have any opposite pairs here. I don't have many opposites there. Nope, and a definite nope. We got nopes all around. So I'm going to set this up as law of cosines, solving for C. That means C is going to be by itself. And that we've got a squared plus b squared minus 2ab cosine of angle C. Plugging things in, c squared is equal to 10 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 10 times 9 times cosine of 52. One of the really beautiful things about the law of cosines is that once I set this up, I can just plug this in. So we got 10 squared plus 9 squared minus 2 times 10 times 9 times cosine of 52. Press enter, and I'm almost done because I've got c squared is equal to 70.1809. Taking the square root of that lovely answer gives me c is equal to 8.377.